Boy, what's up, my fam? Yo, it's Dolly Mouse. Welcome back. I'm about to teach y'all how to make a peanut butter and jelly, bro. Sorry, put jelly on here, cause I can't beat my, what? So I'm about to put the jelly on the bread. God damn. So as you see, I'm spreading this. Spread it like you spread your girlfriend's legs, bro. That's a bummer. So I got this big boy. Big boy. I want you to spread. Okay. Now you wash your dry it off with something. I don't care. You can dry it off with your own balls. That'd be hot. Next, get peanut butter. Get the peanut butter. You just put the peanut butter. You just put the peanut butter on here. I don't know why I'm speaking like that, but you just put the peanut butter on here. And then when you're done with this, technically done with the spoon. So that you can lick, you can do whatever you want with the spoon. You can even marry the spoon if you want. Because we're done with this. Flies, bro. Next, you put this on this. Mission accomplished. Now boys. Did the bad part. You put this bread on a stove with butter or whatever you use, like that, and you crank it. You just crank it, bro. You crank it to high, and after you do that, you just wait. You gotta comfort the bread. Just comfort it. The bread's been through a lot. If you have one, that's great. But if you don't, you gotta or I have like a spatula. And you can hear it, bro. So just pat it down. Make the bread feel nice, because it's in agony right now. I'd recommend putting butter in this, because butter makes taste better. But you put whatever you want. Olive oil, whatever you want. After you do that, okay. Feel nice, baby. Feel nice. Keep checking, because I put it on high. Whoa, yeah, that was a lot. This side is done. So now you wait for the other side. Do the same. Smear it around. We want it crispy on the other side. You feel this crisp? It's not like toaster crisp, too. It's really good. And with the butter on it, too, bro. Oh, yeah. Got him. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really good right there. You turn this off, and you pick it up. You gotta hurry, and you put it right here. And now the very last step is what I want you to do. I want you to hit and like that subscribe button. No, I'm kidding. What I really want you to do, where's it at? I guess we have to make do with what we have. So yeah, back. Get this. What I want you to do. What I want you to do with it. What I want you to do with it. I want you to, just kill.